Today we'll be talking about a very easy and fast way to make your teeth bright without going to a dentist, without spending any money. So without wasting any of your time, let's get into it. But first of all, click on that subscribe button. My name is Wisdom. Click and share this video for every of your friends that might need it. So first of all, we'll be needing two things, and I'll tell you the reason why we'll be needing each of those things. It is just two things. It's not like the one you have to be providing a lot of things. You can get these two things in every standard pharmacy or any supermarket. So one of the things we are going to be needing is, first of all, in this, as the first thing I'm going to mention is a toothpaste. A toothpaste that I recommend is my toothpaste. But if you have any other toothpaste at home that contains fluoride, you can use it. Do you understand? So now we have to provide one toothpaste. And the second thing we'll be needing is, what is it? Bicarbonate of soda. This bicarbonate of soda, apart from the necessary benefits of using your regular toothpaste, which we are not going to be mentioning afresh, even if you don't know, I can put a picture about that up here, or you go and do research about it. Let's talk about the benefits of bicarbonate of soda in whitening your teeth, because our major target here is to remove that plaques in your teeth, remove that yellow teeth, and get your teeth back to normal. The major benefits of using this bicarbonate of soda is that it acts as a sandpaper. It helps reduce the upper layer of your enamel. The enamel is the upper part of the external part of your teeth. Your teeth is a living thing. The inner part of it, the dentine, the pupil is there. Then the enamel is the external part, that is the side that you can see. So that external part can be easily peeled off with this bicarbonate of soda. In that way, if the external part of your teeth is already stained, this will help remove the stain. So now, what is the negative effect of using this thing? One of the negative effects of using it is, if you use it too much or if you use it too frequent, it will cause a damage to your teeth. Why will it cause damage to your teeth? Because your teeth is in layers. If you use it too frequent, it will brace up the whole of your enamel, and by bracing up the whole of your enamel, it will cause damage to your teeth by making your teeth very sensitive, or causing it to be infected by bacteria, due to the fact that you attack the external layer with this bicarbonate of soda. So what should you do in order not to face these consequences? The best thing to do is, when you start using, I will still show you how to mix this and use it properly, so don't be scared. Let's continue with the video. The best thing to do is, when you are using it, you use it once or twice a week, depending on how serious your teeth stain is. If it's a regular teeth stain, use it once a week. It is still a regular teeth stain, if you are in a haste to get the results, you still go with 2 times in a week. But if you are not in a haste to get the results, you can go with once in a week. In that way, if you peel off some part of your teeth, it will have time to rejuvenate itself before you use it the next one. In this way, your teeth is healthy and your teeth is bright. Do you understand? So now let's get to how you are going to use it. First of all, you'll be needing this, your toothbrush, and you'll be needing a toothpaste. And here is it, bicarbonate of soda. So once you wake up in the morning, or anytime you brush your teeth, you put this. Some people think that you have to fill up the whole of the brush for you to use the toothpaste. That is a myth that is propagated by these production companies. So let me show you. If you put this quantity is enough. So let me lock it. Then what do? You have two options. It's either you bring this out, bring it out and dip this in it, which is not, I don't like it. Or, because I didn't dip my own now, sorry, I don't know if you can see me. It's either you bring this out and dip this in it, or you bring it out like this and sprinkle on it. You can also put direct into your mouth, but we'll still get there. So once you have done it like this, you go ahead and brush. You don't need water at first, because once you put it, your saliva will be enough saliva will be produced to get your whole mouth wet, and at the same time, you will clean up your salivary gland. So you go ahead and brush it. So when you are done, you clean up your teeth. I've done that. I don't need to show you that one because it kind of looks somehow. You understand? So once you are done with that, you make sure you wash your teeth. Normally, if you brush your teeth with normal toothpaste, you don't need to rinse it. But this time around, you have to rinse it. Rinse it properly. When you must have brushed for like 1 minute, you rinse it properly and you go on with your normal day. So see my own, not that perfect, but we are on it. At least you have the look today. I will do such video next time to reconfirm how it's going and this is perfect. I've used it on another person, but now I've not used it on myself because my teeth is not that bad, but it is not perfect. So we are trying to get it to be perfect now. Forget about the formation. That one is a different case. I'll work on that later. But see you on our next video. My name is Wisdom. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please, for you to have watched to this extent, it shows that you enjoy what we do here. Please click on that subscribe button, share to your friends, and like this video. It will go a long way for me. This is the only way I get inspired to do more. Please help me and do that now. Click on the subscribe button. Yes, have you done that? Click on the like button and share to any of your friends that you feel like they might need it. That your friend that you feel like his teeth is not that okay, I don't know how to tell him, you can share this to him. It will send a message to him, and it will be an easy thing for you now that you have this video. Peace out. See you on our next video. See ya.